Good morning, friends. So today we have an unboxing video. This is the M18 Fuel from Milwaukee. This is a dual action polisher. This is a 15 millimeter. Just got it this morning. Excited to have a look at it. So come on over, let's have a look at it. This thing's got some power because it's not stalling or nothing like that. Okay, so brand new. The box is kind of, and that's, just don't want it to be broken. Box is a little dented right there. Box is a little dented right there. Did it get dropped? So we'll see. Hopefully it's a non-issue with nothing being damaged in this thing. All I want is good products. Be delivered without any problems. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, so there's a little bit of a, I don't know what that is. Is that oil from somewhere? This is it. Okay, just looking it over, making sure no damage. So this is what you get. Box is empty. That over there. You get that. And then you get this thing. And then you get this thing. So what does it say for accessories? Well, it doesn't give you any tools. Okay. Not even an Allen wrench. Alright. Let's make sure it's nice and level. That's good. So that's it. That's the unbox.